Hey guys, welcome back. And
America's largest discount retail chains is planning to shut down about 1,000 of its stores nationwide. Dollar Tree said today it's closing 600 of its Family Dollar stores in the first half of this year. Another 400 Family Dollar and Dollar Tree locations will have their leases expire over the next few years, mostly because they're underperforming.
so basically, yeah, I don't know if y'all heard that about the dollar. I don't know if it's Dollar Trees. Oh, my battery's on 14%. We're gonna have to hurry up. I don't know if it's Dollar Trees or Family Dollars. I think it's Family. Isn't Family Dollar, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree all owned by the same person? I don't know. Anyway, allegedly, and this has been popping up everywhere about them closing Family Dollars, but I don't know about, I think they're gonna close Family Dollars and Dollar Generals and keep the Dollar Trees. Now, we all probably kind of sort of seen this happening because the Dollar Tree went to $1.25 Tree, and then went to $3, and then went to $5. And basically the ones that I've been walking into, they're basically a Family Dollar. Like, no, you can't get everything that's in Family Dollar in there yet, but I guarantee you that the Dollar Tree is just going to turn into Family Dollar. Now, I don't know where y'all live, but here in South Florida, and the next time I go in one before they close, I will show y'all. We have Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, and Dollar Generals. I go in there because I have coupons. That's the only time I go in there is when I have a coupon. They're very, I'm gonna say dingy. Every dollar, well, I keep wanting to say Dollar Tree. Every Family Dollar and every Dollar General you go into, number one, most of them are in the hood, okay? It is. I can say that. I'm black, I'm hood, whatever. That don't mean I like it. In the hood, okay? Number one. Number two, no upkeep. You walk through the aisles, everything is a mess. Nothing is where it's supposed to be. Half the time I get to the register and I tell the girl to ring everything up slow one at a time because the prices don't match the prices that are on the display. Sometimes you can't get through the aisles. Most of the time they have one worker, two if you're lucky. 80% of the time somebody's stealing. Every time you go in there, somebody is stealing. Somebody that's not up to pour, a homeless person. And nothing against anybody who's homeless, but I mean homeless, drug addict, like on the streets, on the corner dancing. The same person you see on the corner dancing right here is in the store stuffing stuff in his pants. It's just, it's budget shopping, okay? It's budget shopping at its best, but it's not somewhere that you want to go all the time or want to go for your major shopping. Like I said, I go because if they send me a coupon, I will go. And I only spend what's on that coupon, and that's only if they have something in there that interests me on that coupon. That's it. I grew up with Family Dollars and Dollar Generals. They are not up to par. Like she said, they are not. They, you know, and the Dollar Tree came along, and then a lot of stuff that you can get from Family Dollar or Dollar General was in the Dollar Tree. So dish detergent, paper towels, tissue, food, deodorant, like a lot of stuff that, so that means that people did not have to go to Family Dollar anymore. People don't have to go to Family Dollar or Dollar General and deal with the rigmarole anymore, okay? Now in Family Dollar and Dollar General, stuff is priced differently. Fans may be $10 or $15, so it's not a dollar store. Family Dollar and Dollar General have never been a dollar store. They had a dollar aisle. So you know how you walk down the aisles in Walmart and Publix? Family Dollar and Dollar General have a dollar aisle. But it's like a Dollar Tree plus, put it that way, plus. Okay, so Dollar Tree now comes along, and now you can get all of this stuff for $1. We knew it was too good to be true, too good to last, honey child, too good to last. Okay, now it's $1.25. I seen something today. I just left the Dollar Tree. $3.75, $2.25. Now, when I go in the Dollar Tree, I have to actually watch what I pick up, because before you could go in there and the entire store was $1 on period. Now when you go in there, something may be $2.75, $3.75, $5, $3. So now when I go in the Dollar Tree, It's not as fun as it used to be. I don't even go to the Dollar Tree as much as I used to, just because now they took the fun out of it. Now what's the point? I go in there now a little bit less, so that's why y'all don't see those videos no more. If there's something that I still want to get for $1, or if somebody, like I say, I'm in a Dollar Tree finds like Facebook page, and people will post like name brand stuff that they're finding in the Dollar Tree and stuff, and a lot of times I go and I can't find it. It probably was only sent to a certain area or whatever, but I'll go look. But I don't go to the Dollar Tree as much as I used to now, because it's not worth it. Like, everything was $1. That was a steal. That was a steal. But now it's like, I gotta see if it's $3, $5, $3.75, $2.25. Never mind. Never. That's like regular shopping to me. Never mind. So what will probably happen is, once they close the Family Dollars and Dollar Generals, I will probably still go in the Dollar Tree every once in a while. Especially, I don't know if they're going to start honoring the coupons that their sister stores had. I don't know if they're really going to flip these Dollar Trees into regular stores at like good prices. You know, like Big Lots. I don't know if you even know if y'all have that. But yeah, the stuff that I normally go in Family Dollar for, I can't get out of Walmart. And I can't get it out of the Dollar Tree, because I get my Gain washing powder from Family Dollar, but normally they have like major coupons on it, so that's what I get out of the Family Dollar. But they don't have Gain in the Dollar Tree yet. Now it may go to the Dollar Tree for $5, I don't know, but I wonder if they're going to have coupons. I wonder if they're going to just make it like regular shopping. It really is just turning into another store to shop at. The hype for the Dollar Tree was the hype that everything was $1. That was the hype. Like, ooh, I could get this for $1. Ooh, I could get that for $1. Ooh, did y'all see this for $1? Like, ooh, $1? Like, you could get reading glasses where I can't use reading glasses because of my prescription, but you could get reading glasses for $1, where I'm out here with Kate Spades, okay, paying $1. You know, you could go to the Dollar Tree and get you some glasses to see for $1 to read or whatever. You know, even the one I just left, they had what's the good bread? The good bread, the Pepperidge Farm, the good spurts of bread. They had bread in there for $1. Now, granted, when you get bread and stuff out of the Dollar Tree, you got to check the date. I didn't grab any because the date on it was like 3 or 4 days away. And even for $1, if all of it don't get eaten up, it's fine. But I just didn't grab any. But I've even seen the Edmonds. Y'all know Edmonds is expensive. I've even seen the Edmonds donuts and stuff in the Dollar Tree for $1. Now, it's going to expire soon. You're going to have to eat all them Edmonds within the next 2 or 3 days. But still, Edmonds are like almost $6 in Publix. And Edmonds is rich people food. I'm really working on my anger issues. So, yeah. Edmonds is rich people donuts, okay? Rich people cakes, okay? The expensive cakes, the good cakes. I have seen Edmonds in there for $1, and I have grabbed them. When they've had the Edmonds donuts before, I grabbed them. So the hype from the Dollar Tree was the hype of, oh my gosh, this is $1. Then they went to $1.25, and we was kind of like, we ain't gonna fuss too much, but we ain't liking that, bro. We ain't liking that. Because before, where I can get 4 items for $1, now 4 items is actually costing me an extra $1 at $1.25, you know? So, plus tax. And plus 2 taxes, depending on what state you live in. So, let me know what y'all think. I mean, I think it sucks. I would have loved to just have a dollar store to go to all the time for something. Like, I just think that sucks. I don't know why they had to change it. Maybe this was in the works the whole time. Maybe when they bought out Dollar Trees, they knew they were going to phase out Family Dollar and Dollar General. Maybe. We don't know. We weren't in the board meeting. But I'm thinking that that's the case. That's the case. They got us all riled up. You know what I'm saying? Like TikTok. They get you riled up to bring you down. I feel like they got us all riled up with these Dollar Trees. Had everybody running to the Dollar Tree, everybody running to the Dollar Tree, making videos, doing this, doing that, running to the Dollar Tree, got us all riled up. And then now it's like $1.25. You know what I'm saying? And we still kind of going. We right here. We still kind of going. We like, all right, that ain't too bad, $1.25. And now they like $3, $5. Boom. You know what I'm saying? They're going to have to change the name. It's not the Dollar Tree. And what I don't understand is years ago, we had a $1 Plus. What was that store we had years ago? Anybody from South Florida remember? Years ago, there was it deals. We had deals. And deals was the same thing. And then they closed all the deals for like 5 or 6 years. They closed them. And now you come back with Dollar Tree, now Dollar Tree Plus, now this. I don't get it. You could have just left deals here, because that's what deals was. Deals was just a raggedy $1, $3, $5, $2 store. So I don't even know what this country coming to. Y'all let me know.